Now, in what's brewing, boba tea and Korean fusion food brand Boba Bhai has raised 30 crore rupees in its Series A funding round. This was led by 8i Ventures with participation from Titan Capital Winners Fund and others. Now, Boba Bhai will use the money to expand its presence to new cities, scale operations in existing markets, introduce new menu offerings and new sub-brands which will be tailored to evolving customer tastes. For more on this funding round and the company's plans ahead, joining me now is Dhruv Kohli, who is the founder and CEO of the company. Dhruv, welcome to Startup Street. Start by telling us about the brand that you're building. It's very new. You started operations just a few months back. You have 42 outlets now across 9 cities. What led you to start this, and how has the business momentum been so far?
So basically, we have seen a lot of innovation happen in the hot beverage space in India. But when we look at the cold beverage market, which is huge in India, we haven't seen much innovation happening. And specifically with India has the fastest growing Gen Z and young millennial population. We saw boba tea trend rising up a lot in Asia, and it's time for us to bring to India and, Indianize it. Started a few months back, response has been great from the customers, and, the constant growth, the trust from the investors helped us to scale so quickly. And, that's why we are here today, that, open 42 outlets, growing at a massive speed. So I think the customer love is the one word I would say that helped us growing aggressively in the last few months.
Well, in that case, tell us about this 30 crore funding round and how you're going to use this to scale operations. You have about, 9 cities, 42 outlets. How many more are you looking to add with this money?
So we are looking to add over more 100 outlets this year, right, by end of December 2025. And of course, this funding will help us to grow more stores, invest in the talent, get the top talent from the industry, invest in brand marketing, and also, do a lot of R&D. In fact, we recently launching our K-pop ice creams that India is going to witness first time, ice creams infused with the Korean flavors. So all this R&D was happening in the back end, but now it's time to, launch and scale all these plans that are in the pipeline.
Well, you spoke about the ice creams, which are in the pilot phase. You have bubble tea, of course, and the burgers. What next in this product line, which is the fastest growing vertical, and how much is the contribution from each of these products in your overall earnings?
See, bubble tea still stays the fastest growing vertical for us, and over 60% of the company sales comes from bubble tea, and rest of it comes from the food. And ice cream is a very new product launched by us. We just done a pilot about 4 weeks ago, and now we are, going live on the quick commerce platforms very soon, and of course, getting launched in all our outlets. So we think that, ice cream will definitely become a huge part of our business, and specifically the flavors that we are bringing to India.
All right. Give us a sense currently how business is doing in terms of how many monthly orders are you processing? What is the average order value? And how fast is this growing, given the presence of multiple large and, even small and big QSR chains that are catering to the sort of same market with similar products? Of course, your distinguishing factor is the lovers of Korean food.
See, we are currently doing about 80,000 orders a month with a AOV of close to 400 rupees, right?
Okay.
And I would say that, what Boba is able to build is that we are just not the brand just where people are coming for food, but we're trying to fit in their lifestyle. Our Gen Z and millennial population that we cater the most, they find it very cool. They find it very, amazing to order from place and, hang out with their friends and all that stuff, the vibe that they get. And of course, I would say the pairing of ability with food helped us a lot. And constant innovation, Indianize the flavors, all these things helped us to, get that market share. And that's why we're currently leading the market in this category.
All right. Dhruv, could you give us a sense of how the unit economics are working out? This is a tough space to operate in. Are you profitable, or when do you rather hope to break even? And what is the current top line and bottom line? And, what are the projections for the next couple of years?
See, I'm a very strong believer of unit economics, and all our stores are profitable. Like every store that we open to turn profitable within 2 months, right? So that's how we built our model. Of course, at a corporate level, we aim to be profitable very soon within the next 6 to 8 months, because that's why we are investing in our team. We are building some solid team. But at a store level, at a unit economics level, we are very, very positive. Whereas our stores are giving a bit of close to 20% odd. Every store, which is mature enough, more than 3 months, is giving a bit of 20%. And in terms of top line, currently our ARR is close to 36 crores ARR we are at.
Okay, 36 crores of annual recurring revenue. Let's also talk about your distribution. Will the focus really be on growing your physical outlets because you're a new company, you want to set up your brand, or will the push also be via online and through aggregator platforms? What has been the experience so far, and what will be the strategy going ahead?
I guess we'll be doing omni-channel because every channel is important. Going forward, we'll be having a physical outlets. We'll be also banking a lot on Zomato and Swiggy. And of course, both these platforms have tremendously helped us in growing where we are, right? With the strength of the data they have, and plus also not only that, they're supporting as a new venture for us. And the physical stores always play a key role in ensuring that the brand gets built. And also, where we can offer a physical experience to the customers and all that stuff. So I guess, and quick commerce will be a new addition to the channels. So all these channels, I guess, will start contributing to the growth, and everyone will play their own role.
All right, we're going to leave it at that. Dhruv, thank you very much for joining us here on Startup Street, and we look forward to what you do with Boba Bhai next. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks.